just bolted. I wasn't thinking straight.
That's a reasonable explanation.
He has now for at least 3 to murder. God, that was a perfect hit.
No, it wasn't.
Shit! Ash? Okay. Sean Moss's mother is here. I'd like to speak with you.
Oh, cool. Okay.
It was a few months back. The middle of the night. It was pouring down. Ethan came home completely drenched at about 2. I asked him where he'd been. He spoke about drowning in the rain. He didn't make any sense.
Ugh.
There was something.
He was probably like disturbed by the origami killer because like Jason died.
There may be no connection, but the next day there was that announcement about another victim of the origami killer.
Oh.
Find my son. I'm begging you.
Oh. Well. Maybe then.
I'm Police Lieutenant Carter Blake. This is Agent Norman Jaden of the FBI. According to our information, Ethan Mars is one of your patients. I'd like to ask you a few questions about him. I'm sorry, that's impossible.
Why?
I'm bound by an oath of secrecy. Under no circumstances may I discuss my patient. My job is to find Sean Mars alive, and I don't give a damn about any bullshit oath.
Oh, I can walk around.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. Now I must ask you to leave. You need to cooperate, for your own sake.
Vince?
I know you don't want to hear from me. If you know anything, you must tell us, Doctor. Are you threatening me? I'm just giving you some free advice, Doc. I suggest you take it.
I'd say Blake is threatening him more than me.
It's your duty to inform the police if you suspect one of your patients, Doctor. I am going to call the police and make a complaint about your behavior.
We are the police.
Doctor, you are really pushing my buttons. The only thing I'm interested in is saving that kid's life. So,
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
I'm really gonna lose my temper. Doctor, the child's life is at stake. You may know something that can help us save it. You have no right.
Why can't I get him off him? Whoa! Blake, what the hell are you doing? Why are you beating up on a shrink?
Come on, Doc. There's an easy way and a hard way.
Excuse me, Blake, you have to stop that.
If you don't let go of this man immediately, I'll report you and you'll be off the case. What the hell's the matter with you, Norman?
I asked you the same question, Blake.
You want to save Sean Mars anymore? I want to save Sean Mars just as much as you do, but that doesn't give me all rights. So you're going to stop this shit right now.
Man, that was a good comeback.
Ethan Mars has had psychological problems since his first son died. He was responsible for his death. Sort of morbid neurosis. He is haunted by visions of drowning bodies.
Oh, that probably explains him thinking about that. Like when he was like thinking about drowning and children and stuff. Like what Grace just said.